so this part of the tutorial, I'll just show everyone how to put the Z camera into the holder. So when you 3D print the holder, it'll look something like this. And basically what you want to do is find the side where there's a loop and place the Z camera in like this. And you'll see that the port is now exposed on the outside. And then to secure the Z so it doesn't slide out, we have two M2.5 screws, and there's two holes on the Z holder. And basically you just want to bolt these in hand tight so that the Z is not able to fall out. Like so. You can use an Allen key if you want it to be tight. So once you have that, you can see the Z is not going to fall out now. And there's a GoPro mount on the back side that will allow you to connect it to a head mount like this one. Yep, that's it.